You know how every piece moves. Now let's put them all together and set up a real game. In a few minutes, you'll be ready to play your first game of chess. Light square on the right corner. Rooks on the corners. Knights next to rooks. Bishops next to knights. Now the key rule, the queen goes on her own color. White queen on the light square d1, black queen on the dark square d8. Remember that, queen on her color. The king takes the remaining square. 8 pawns line up on the second rank for each side. White always moves first. Players take turns after that, 1 move each. You must make a move on your turn, you can never skip. A game ends in checkmate, when one side resigns, or in a draw. Here white has played the most popular first move, pawn to e4. Now it's black's turn. Chess has a writing system called notation. Each piece has a letter. K for king, Q for queen, R for rook, B for bishop, N for knight. Pawns have no letter. A move is written as the piece letter plus the destination square. So nf3 means knight to f3. Just e4 means pawn to e4, since pawns have no letter. An X means a capture, a plus sign means check, and a hash sign means checkmate. Congratulations! You now know all the rules of chess. You know how every piece moves, what check and checkmate mean, the 3 special moves, how to set up the board, and how to read chess notation. You are ready to play your first game. But knowing the rules and knowing how to win are very different things. In Level 2, we'll learn piece values, basic strategies, and how to deliver checkmate. See you on Chess99.com. Congratulations! You've completed Level 1 of Chess99 Academy. You know all the rules of chess. Head to Chess99.com to play your first game. In Level 2, we'll learn winning strategies. See you there!